Pennsylvania. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 a.m. Friday to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? Multi-hazard winter storm with a combination of strong winds, very cold temperatures, snow, and blowing snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Wind chills values could be as low as 20 below zero. Where? In Ohio, Cuyahoga and Geauga counties. In Pennsylvania, Crawford County. When? From 1 a.m. Friday to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning commute and any holiday travel. Strong winds could cause tree damage. The cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details: a window of brief intense snowfall is expected with a cold front Thursday night into Friday. This front will bring a sharp temperature drop over a matter of a few hours, where temperatures above freezing will drop to the single digits by Friday afternoon. A flash freeze is possible with this occurrence. Winds will increase across the area early Friday, especially Friday night, and be the main hazard for the area, with blowing snow also potentially causing hazardous travel. Strong winds could cause damage to trees, bring down power lines, and blow around unsecured objects. From Friday through Sunday, a period of almost 48 hours where temperatures remain in the single digits is possible. This, combined with the strong winds, would allow for a long period of wind chills well below zero and increase exposure risk and infrastructure concerns across the area.
Arizona has now dropped 6 of its last 7 games.